Hello, welcome back to Roy's Workshop, and today we're hopefully fixing the fuel system on Priscilla. So what I've got here is some Autobond. Apparently this is good for working with petrol. This is just the vent pipe, so it shouldn't have petrol too often. I've had it in the bath this morning and I've leak tested it. It's now still draining. You see some water coming out the bottom there, but we're leaving in about an hour and a half, 2 hours, so I need to get the glue epoxy into here. It takes about 2 hours for its initial set. Cure time at 30 degrees, 1 to 2 hours, so perfect. Should be enough, and then obviously we'll fill it up. I didn't clean it very well here, did I? Never mind. I've leak tested it. It was full right up. I couldn't lift it. It was that bloody full. It took ages to drain out. But anyway, let's mix up some of this epoxy. Get it in there. Got a cable tie to get it right in there. Pop it down, and then we'll leave it to set. I will keep the old fuel tank, and I will get this replaced or this repaired properly, but probably when I'm back in Blighting. So let's stop talking and get on with it, shall we? So now that's done. Good fillet around it. Not too bad, not my best work, but hey, I'll take it. Next, whilst that's curing now, I'm just going to make sure everything here is okay, clean it out. And yeah, just prep. I'm going to fit the tank whilst it's curing. I can still get to that vent pipe with it fitted, so it shouldn't be too bad. I'll take the epoxy with us in case we need to apply some more. And yeah, it's you know, permanently temporary. We'll get there. Right, let's get this bloody thing fitted. So I've just put a splash of fuel in, about 2 gallon. No leaks from up top. I know the Jubilee clip's not on right, but over it. No drips from underneath so far. It's good. Should we try and start it? Just to see what condition the battery's in. Damn thing. I'm expecting it to start and then stop. Let's see how this goes down. Absolutely nothing. Let's try the other pikey way. Make sure there's a rock in the place. This happens quite a bit, as you can probably tell by me just knocking this out. So you can probably see the starter motor. Maybe. And this piece of wire goes between here and here. Let's give the carb a bit of a pump, get the primers, give it a squirt like a fuel. Oh yeah. Nice and clean. Let's see in here if there's any petrol. Hear it? Oh, there's petrol in there. Let's give this another go, shall we? So I'm going down here. I have to ring Philip, tell him to come with Dave. I'll throw the seat in first though, but first I need a drink of water. Whew. So we had a great start. As you can see, both cars are here. I managed to get the seats back in perfectly fine. Filling up with petrol. 2.2 real is about 40 pence a litre. Give or take. We've got Daz with us. Hello.
Hello.
Daz with the biggest fan. Phil's going to get a bottle of Coke. We'll get some petrol. We'll get turned around because we're currently heading in the wrong direction. It'll take us about an hour and 20 minutes to get to where we're going to be. We're going to mess around in some low-level dunes for a bit, and then we're going to head on further to actually where we camp. Should be good. Beautiful day. It's high 20s, low 30s maybe. It's about 2 o'clock now. It's nice and cool. It's cooler. So yeah, once we get going, cruise about 120 clicks. Plenty fast enough. Yeah, it'll be good. Right, we'll see you when we're in the desert. So I hope this isn't too windy for you. We're now in the middle of, well, I wouldn't say middle of nowhere, but actually there's a fire station in the middle of this Philip and Scotty. We're heading just over there, so probably to the right. We're not picking any particular route, we're just picking our way through, heading in the general direction where we're going. It's quite nice now, the temperature's really nice. The wind is still up, as you can tell, but we can't have everything. Right, it's another fire station. It's another common thing here, they drive Arctic trucks, huge trailers, like Showman's trailers, you can see in the steam flare. Really nice, really big and wide, pricing out wide. But, we don't want to disturb them, so we'll give them a bit of a wide berth. And yeah, hopefully we'll be there fairly soon. We've got about an hour and a half, 2 hours left of light. So we need to set up camp, have a bit of a mess around, get the drone in the air, and yeah, that's about it. Oh, and I can't see where I'm meant to be going. I don't think it's those hills over there, eh? Those ones, I think it's over here. Oh, there. Just there. So yeah, we'll catch up with you when we get there. So we've made it. Here we are. This is our nearest sort of, that was the big dune. You've seen that one before. And this is probably where we're going to be camping for the night. We're gonna get the drone in the air so you can see, have a good look around, because this place is, it's good. I like it. It's got everything. It's got rock. You've got a bit of sand in the valley there, and then on the other side there's another big rock formation and another big dune. But this one for me, driving through bushes. This one for me is the best one. And Phil's going for it. Oh, yeah, he's got it. Well, I was going to send the dune up so you get a nice picture of what goes on here, but that was tight attraction here. This is our playground. Not a soul around for miles. Just pure desert. We cannot comprehend what it feels like to be there. peaceful is it here? The wind has died right down. It'll continue to die down. We've got a camp set up. I'm in the swag bag. Philip is in the palace. And Scotty is in the dodgy dodge. We've got a fire pit made, dug out. Just gonna load it up now. Scotty's got kebabs, so we're gonna have them. I'm gonna send the drone up so we can get some nice, you know, night time. I might go out in the car a bit later on and take some nice photographs. But to be honest, I probably won't. I'll probably just sit down and relax with everybody. I'll give you an update around dinner time. See you soon.